Is your Jeep Compass constantly dropping your Apple CarPlay connection while you drive? Statistically, most connection drops are caused by simple physical failures rather than the vehicle software itself. Let us break down the troubleshooting process step by step. Start by swapping your cable for a high-quality replacement and carefully clearing any lint from the USB port. If hardware is fine, try forgetting the connection on both your phone and the Uconnect system. If problems persist, check for official Uconnect firmware updates or potential loose wiring behind the dashboard. Most users find relief with simple resets, but a damaged USB module might require a professional shop visit. As you can see, the data cable is the overwhelming culprit for most connectivity issues. A soft reset of your Uconnect system can often clear hidden glitches without losing your personal data. Keep these items in your glove box to handle any future connection drops quickly. Remember that consistent connection failure is almost always a physical contact issue, so stay patient with your testing. If these steps helped get your CarPlay back online, subscribe for more Jeep Compass troubleshooting tips.